Rise and shine, Mr. Freeman. Rise and shine. Not that I wish to imply you have been sleeping on the job. No one is more deserving of a rest, and all the effort in the world would have gone to waste until... well, let's just say your hour has come again. The right man in the wrong place can make all the difference in the world. So wake up, Mr. Freeman. Wake up and smell the ashes.
See you get on. This stuff, it's all I have left. All right, I'm moving.
Are you the only ones on that train?
Welcome. Welcome to City 17. You have chosen or been chosen to relocate to one of our finest remaining urban centers. I thought so much of City 17 that I elected to establish my administration here in the citadel so thoughtfully provided by our benefactors. I've been proud to call City 17 my home. And so, whether you are here to stay or passing through on your way to parts unknown, welcome to City 17. It's safer here.
I got a standard relocation coupon just like everybody else.
Immortality is in our reach. This simple fact has far-reaching implications. It requires radical rethinking, revision of our genetic equipment. It also requires planning and forethought that run into direct opposition to our neural precepts. I find it helpful at times like these to remind myself that our true enemy is instinct. Instinct was our mother. We were in infancy. Instinct to conquer us, keep us safe from those hard-scrabble years when we were lost. Our first meal was a week of fire, and I started at the ship and leapt upon the battlefield. But inseparable from instinct is superstition. Instinct is inextricably bound to unreasoning impulses, and today we clearly see its true nature. Instinct has just become aware of its irrelevance, and like a cornered beast, it